Ollie, what are zombies?
I don't know. They eat our brains. Who's gonna eat me? Yes.
What's a zombie?
Make you die. Then come back and eat your brain. And then what will happen?
And then you turn into a zombie. And then what would you eat?
What?
What do zombies eat?
Brains.
Can you say brains?
Brains.
What do zombies eat?
Brains.
Brains? Say brains.
Brains.
What does a zombie say?
Brains.
Legs? It is like brain eggs.
Zombies eat legs.
They eat legs?
Yes. They eat eyes.
They eat eyeballs?
Yes.
What else do they eat?
They eat eggs.
Oh. The white or the yellow?
The orange.
The orange eggs.
The green.
The green. Green eggs. And ham?